Welcome to the Fast Cash Races. You're up against the ultimate big boys toy, a full-size, remote-controlled MR2. Your car this time is the little boys toy, a scaled, modelled, remote-controlled MR2. Who's going to be the winner here? Let's find out. And it's green light, go, and you're off the line. The little car is in a commanding lead. It's fantastic, but what is this? The big boy is showing him that he's the bully of the school. The little boy has slid out. Oh no! Get to the back of the class. You've been schooled. The big boy is the winner. You're the loser. Leave him alone, you bully.